Okay, so good morning students. So today we are going to do exercise 7.2 of cubes and cube root. Now it is been told by prime factorization method. 64 over here. This we have learned in our exercise 7.1. Okay, so 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are and 2 1 are. So over here cube of 3 pairs of 3 numbers. So over here 2, over here 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 4. That means my 4 cube will be equal to 64. Okay. Now over here 5 and 2. This also we have done in our exercise 7.1 question number 1 or question number 2. So over here again 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. See 256. Second question we have multiplied by 2. Correct? So over here again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 2 1 are 2 6 are 12 because 1 is remaining over here, 2 8 are 16. See over here all the same matches are same over here, 2 4 are 2 2 are and 2 1 are. Now a pair of 3, a pair of 3, a pair of 3. So over here 2 2 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 8. That means my 8 cube will be equal to 512. Okay. Now moving on to question number C. It is 10648. We have to find it by prime factorization method. Okay. So over here 8. So it is again coming in table of 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. Now over here 1. Now it is been coming. This 1 3 3 1 is a cube of 11. So how to do this? It will not be coming in table of 3, not in table of 5, not in table of 7. It will be coming in table of 11. So 11, 1s are 11, 2 will be remaining, 23, 11, 2s are 22, 1 will be remaining, 11, 1s are 11. Now again 11, 1s are 11, 1 will be remaining, 11, 1s are 11 and 11, 1s are. So over here a pair of over here 3, a pair of over here 3. So it will be 2, over here it will be 11. So 2 multiplied by 11 it will be giving me as 22. That means my 22's cube will be equal to 1064. Okay. 11 2. So 2 11 2 is 22. 22 cube will be equal to 10648. Now moving on to question number D. 27,000 0. So it will be coming in table of 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and over here 0. 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 over here 0. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14 and over here 2 5s are 10. Now I will be trying it by 5. Don't try it by 3. Afterwards we will do it by 3. So now trying it by 5. 5 6 are 30. 3 is being remaining. 5 7s are 35. 2 is being remaining. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5 1 जा 5, 1 is been remaining, 5 3 जा 15, 2 5 5 जा 25. Now again we table of 5. Again we table of 5. 5 2 जा 10, 3 is been remaining, 5 7 जा 35. So again now 27 is in coming table of 3. So 3 9 जा 27, 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3. So now you can see a pair of numbers over here, 2 5 and 3. So 3 5 and over here 2. So I will writing over here 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So 2 5 is 10, 10 3 is 30. That means my 30 cube will be equal to 27. How? See over here. Now listen properly. Forget about the zeros. 27 in our summation of the sum, we have found that 27's cube is 3, correct? And over here this is my 10,000, 1000. So 1000 cube is 10. So 3 multiplied by 10, 30. Okay? So that way also we can find it. Or if I am writing over here 64,000, 64 cube is coming as 4 over here, and 1000. So 1000 cube is 10. So 4 into 10, 40. So it can be 64,000 cube can be equal to 40. Okay? Now over here 1 5 6 2 5. So 5 we will try with 5. 5 3 is 15. 5 1 is 5. 1 is been remaining. 5 2 is 10 and 5 5 is 25. Now 3 1 2 5. So over here 5 6 is 30, because in 5 table 3 is not coming. So 5 6 is 30. 1 is been remaining over here. 5 2 is 10 and 5 5 is 25. Now 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25 and 5 1 is 5. Now you can see a pair of 3, a pair of 3. So over here 5, over here 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 will be given me as 25. That means my 25 cube will be equal to 1562 5. Okay? This has been told that it is a perfect cube. You have to find the answer for which number it is a perfect cube by prime factorization method. So over here we have found over here. So now we will start continue our question number F over here. Okay? Okay, so now question number F. Again the same concept, we have to find by prime factorization method. So question is 13,824. So starting with 2, because 4 is coming in table of 2. So 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10 and 2 6 are 12. 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14, 2 4 are 2 2 are 4 and 2 8 are 16. Again 8, 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 2 3 are 2 2 are 2 2 are 2 1 are 2 6 are 2 1 6, 2 1 are 2 0 are 2 8 are 2 5 are 2 4 are 2 2 are and 2 7 are. Now 27 is coming in table of 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now over here you can see a pair of 3, a pair of 3, a pair of 3 and a pair of 3. So 3 2 2 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12 and 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, okay, and 8 3s are 24. So I can write as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 will be giving me as 24. Okay, so 24 cube will be equal to 1382. Okay. Now moving on to question number G. 110592. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, again 16, so 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 2 4s are. Now 4 again in table of 2, 2 6s are 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 because 1 is being remaining over here. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are and 2 8s are 2. Now 17, so 2 8s are 16, 1 is being remaining, 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are. See, from 1 3 8 to 4 the answer is being repeating. So over here 432, so over here 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 0s are 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So over here a pair of 2, a pair of 2, a pair of 2, pair of 2 and a pair of 2. So over here 3 2 2 2 and 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So what I will do, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 2 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is the. So 16 multiplied by 3, so 6 to the 18, 148. So it will be 48. That means my 48 cube will be equal to 110590. Okay. Now moving on to question number H. 46656. We have done this question in our previous exercise 7.1. Okay. Now let's repeat again. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and then 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 9s are 2 1s are 2 6s are because 1 is remaining over here. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, and over here 9. Now 9 is been coming in table of 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 3 7s are, because 2 is being remaining over here. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 3, 1s are 3. Now a pair of 2, 2 over here, a pair of 2, a pair and a pair. So over here 2, 2, 3, 3. So 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9. So 4 9s are 36. So over here I will write as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 9s are 36. So my 36 cube will be equal to 46,656. Okay. Now moving on to question number I.